WPC MPU from a FishTales that I have in my whitewater. And I have socketed and installed the NVRAM. I took the liberty of socketing U20 also, replaced the power filter cap there at C31 and J210 the power header. And cleaned up the jumpers over here. That was a gnarly mess. So let's boot it up. Also, with this board set came the power driver board and the sound board. So the sound board, I recapped. There are 7 or so 47 microfarad caps. There's a 100 microfarad filter cap right there. There's a 22 microfarad cap adjacent to the heatsink. This one, or one of them, had a blown 1 microfarad tantalum. It was the other one that I'll put in here in just a second. But this soundboard is as quiet as you will ever hear a DCS soundboard on boot. And it's because of the caps, the filter caps especially there. So let's boot it up and you can listen to it. You can barely hear the ticking that you typically hear, and that ticking is the soundboard being repeatedly reset. So that was totally expected because I have my switch matrix tester connected to the CPU board right now, and it is a Pennytech switch tester. So I'm just going to go through column 1. Since I was in there messing with the ULED 2803, I wanted to make sure that all these are working, and they are. So this CPU board, I just got done playing a game on it, and everything works out fine. Let me hold on just one moment. Okay, we're back now to test the solenoid driver board. All solenoids are working. General illumination. That's my GI tester, upper left. Working perfectly. Let's do lamps and flashers at the same time. See, all the lamps are working. I have the GI turned off on the lamp insert panel, but you can see the flashers are cycling like they're supposed to. So what's left? That's it. Oh no, I gotta test the sound since I got a soundboard in there. And all the sounds are working properly. So I'm going to get the other soundboard in here and get it tested. I'll be right back. So now I have installed the FishTales ROM into the CPU, and I have the FishTales soundboard. So let's put it into test.
I'd ever seen. Whoa, you got one under, eh? Oh yeah, that's a keeper. Get out of here. You've mastered deep sea fishing. Up to the top for double jackpot. Double jackpot. Super jackpot! It's a feeding frenzy. Whoa, you're not gonna eat that, are you?
lot more sounds than in at least whitewater. One thing we can do here is reset these adjustments. I didn't have the minimum power or minimum volume override set. That's why that was so loud. All right, so this board, the CPU board, the driver board, and the sound boards are all good to go. Thanks for sending them.